Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Dr. Preeti Mahesh Rautoy from the Department of Physics of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Mandal's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Chopra. Let us study about what is physics. It is a branch of science which deals with the structure of matter and the interaction between the fundamental constituents of the observable universe. Physics has two main branches, classical and quantum. Classical physics deals with the matter and energy, while the quantum physics deals with the behavior of molecules, atoms, nuclear particles are described. This classical physics further classified into classical mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics. This classical mechanics deals with the study of motion. Electromagnetism deals with the study of electromagnetic radiations. Thermodynamics that deals with the processes of heat and its transmission. While the quantum physics further classified into quantum mechanics, quantum statistics, quantum electrodynamics and quantum field theory. This quantum mechanics deals with the mathematical description of the motion and interaction of subatomic particles. Quantum statistics gives the distribution of identical particles. Quantum electrodynamics deals with the electromagnetic field and its interaction with the electrically charged particles. Quantum electrodynamics. And last one is quantum field theory. That quantum field theory is the extension of the quantum mechanics and it dealing to the systems with infinite number of degrees of freedom. In our daily life, most of the things in which the laws of physics are involved. The rapid progress in science recently is only due to the discoveries and inventions in the field of physics. That is all about what is physics. Thank you. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe the channel and click on bell icon so you will automatically get notification of next videos.